Bayti Real Estate is delighted to offer this office space in the Arjuman building located in Dubai Investment Park 1. At 865 square foot, this unit is offered as a fitted finish and is situated on a mid-floor. The office is bright, compact and ready to move in with a corner partition. Public transport available to and from the DIP metro station, visitor parking available, and with a good range of local amenities, this is a perfect area to position your business. To arrange a viewing, please contact me on the details provided in the description.